Hello everyone, my name is Tiong Sang. Today I'm going to introduce International Table Tennis Federation.
Historic achievement, and it's richly deserved.
National Table Tennis Federation is the governing body for all the National Table Tennis Association. First of all, I would like to introduce this Conventional Federation, which is recognized by ITTF. Each Conventional Federation has a president as its top official and owns its constitution. There are currently 226 members association within the ITTF. The conditions federations are There are many rules of ITTF. The first rule is overseeing rules and regulation for the sports of table tennis. For ITTF World Title events, a player is eligible to play for his association by registering with the ITTF. If the player chooses to play for a new association, he should register with the ITTF through the new association. There are three rules that the player should take note. The first is the player should not represent the new association before. The second, the player will be eligible to play the new association after 3, 5, 7 years after the date of registration. If the player is under the age of 15, 18, 21 respectively. The third one, if the player is 21 years old or older, he will not be registered with the ITTF and not be eligible for the represent a new association at World Title event. The table tennis point system was reduced from a 21 to an 11-point scoring system in 2001. Again, should be won by the player or pair first scoring 11 points, unless both players or pair score 10 points, when the game should be won by the first player or pair subsequently gaining a lead of 2 points. This was intended to make games more fast-paced or exciting. The ITTF also changed the rule on service to prevent a player from hiding the ball during service, in order to increase the average length of release and to reduce the service advantage. Today, the game changed from time to time mainly to improve on the excitement for television viewers. ITTF tapped the rules to improve the sport of table tennis. ITTF posts the high performance and development weekly training lessons on YouTube so that more players can learn and improve the skill in sport table tennis. ITTF also responsible to organize the international competitions such as World Championship, World Team Championship, Men's World Cup, Summer Olympic Games, World Team Cup, Women's World Cup, and ITTP World Tour Grand Final.